ye to aso akwati fe do mantem opani kwankyerefo be de kira oda forestry division no ano ho e de atodwa se ne wo de ensuo ama wono antimi anua no se de wo senka odua no emu ama ne bo ene de to aso
Ena no pe nonson ene no wotwe bremu honomo ene nsi o hyase se eto ewo northern region ya eto ya bebro don hwere nan ne senti no Green Ghana Day a ekoso ewo manmu afana ba bia no ebi ankoso ewo honomo. Deputy Regional Manager Emma Forestry Commission ewo mantemu honomo Adom Bafa editu dwa se na kana so ye na ya hobo anko kwakodua enua no empem aduo no.
Today 9% can yetimi ye even more than that. Unfortunately, as at 6 to 7 a.m. it rains seriously at Yendi, and we're expecting to even plant even more than 20 to 30,000 over there, but the rain did not help. However, it is stopped and planting is ongoing. Indeed, our target there, which we want to even get about 4 to 5 times our main target that we cannot be achieved. I have to buy and also, unfortunately, in the morning we went to the barracks, we went to a few school institutions, other places, but the rain did not help us. However, we were happy because for the past 3 weeks we've been able to plant, and in the first 2 days, ceilings are doing very well. So it doesn't mean that if we are not able to meet our main target today, no, doesn't mean that that is the end of it. Tomorrow is Saturday, we are going to the field. Sunday, most of the churches have also made it a point that after church they are planting.